Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another module. So today we have an exciting topic to explore, which is the untapped potential of ChatGPT for creating compelling social media content. So as you might already know, like ChatGPT is a really powerful AI language model, which is capable of generating fluent-like text and engaging conversation. So yeah, without further ado, let's just dive right into it and discover how we can leverage this powerful tool to unlock new content opportunities for our social media channels. So before we get started, let's quickly understand what ChatGPT is. Like, how does it work? ChatGPT is basically a state-of-art language model that can generate text, answer questions, and it can also hold up conversations with you guys as well. So it's like, having a AI-powered assistant just at your fingertips. So the question arises, like, why should we use ChatGPT for social media? Like, what are the benefits of that? So the answer to that question is like, well, there are several competing reasons. Like, first and foremost, if I can tell you, is like basically helps you a lot to save your time and effort, while creating engaging content constantly can be a really challenge for you guys, but not anymore. With ChatGPT now, you can quickly generate ideas, and not only that, you can quickly generate entire post with that with just a few prompts by using AI. So yeah, let's just go ahead and see it by with the help of an example. Let's just say like you are a travel blogger and you can now ask ChatGPT for suggestions on, let's just say, I'll type it a prompt here like top 10 offbeat destinations, or let's just go ahead and write travel tips for solo backpackers. So yeah, right after that, this model will generate unique content that you can use as a starting point, or even, directly share that on your social media right away. So yeah, if you can go ahead and see further a bit more, like ChatGPT is not just a content generator. It's like, a creativity booster for you guys. Like you can now use it to brainstorm fresh ideas, experiment with different writing styles, or not only that, you can also use that for explore out of the box concepts that, resonate with your audience. So let's just see one more example. Let's say like if you are a food influencer or a food blogger, okay? So you can now ask ChatGPT to come up with, let's just go and type innovative recipes, or you can say food pairings that sound strange but amazing. So you can ask ChatGPT about different recipes, or different kind of foods, or different places in the world for different food ideas. So as you guys can see, like the possibilities are basically endless for you guys. If you can see a bit more, like social media is, as you guys know, is all about building connection with your audience. So now for your social media, ChatGPT can help you with that too. You can use it to respond to comments, hold Q&A sessions, or not only that, you can also use that to even run interactive polls on your platforms as well. So yeah, at the end, I just want to tell you guys, like, while ChatGPT can really be a powerful tool, but it's really essential for you to know, like, it's really important to use it wisely and responsibly. Like, always review and edit the generated content to ensure like it aligns with your brand and values, and just to double check like there aren't any mistakes in that. And of course, like at the end, you can obviously use the reviewed content or the reviewed outline for the purpose that you want. So yeah, there you have it, the world of social media content opportunities with ChatGPT. Like, it's time to unleash your creativity and take your content game to the next level. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and in the next video I'll be telling you guys how exactly can you use ChatGPT in that purpose to make money. What's up? Welcome back to another video. So today we have an exciting case to study, which is how you can basically earn money by creating a content calendar and crafting engaging social media content. So yeah, obviously if you love content creation and you want to turn your passion into a profitable venture, so obviously this video is just for you. So before we begin this case study, let's talk about the power of content creation. So as you guys know, like in today's digital age, like content is king, right? Brands and businesses are constantly seeking engaging content to connect with your audience, and also to boost their online presence as well. So there are basically a lot of jobs for content creation, and you can say content calendar, like people are offering, and some are also looking for on famous platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr. So let's just say if you go on Fiverr.com and you can search content calendar, So immediately you'll see like there are a lot of social media content calendars job like people are offering, and as well as people are looking for as well. So, if you can master social media content calendar, obviously in no time or very soon, you'll find a very handsome and a profitable job on Fiverr and Upwork. So now let's just go ahead and see exactly like how you can get help building a content calendar for you guys or a social media content using ChatGPT or AI. And yet these will basically be the prompt formulas for content calendar and social media content. So for a content calendar, you write a prompt that create a content calendar for social media platform, whatever your platform is going to be, for calendar size. So obviously like for how long you want your calendar to be extended or how much duration you want out of that. So next you will say ask follow-up questions until you have all the information to create a perfect content calendar. So yeah, let's just now go ahead and see that with the help of a lab demonstration. All right, so here I am with my ChatGPT open. And first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a content calendar. So I'm just going to write in my same prompt formula, which was create a content calendar for a social media platform for calendar size. So let's just fill it up. So for social media platform, I'm just going to go ahead and go for, let's just say, Instagram. And for calendar size, like I want my content calendar to be for at least, let's just say 1 month. And then you'll say ask follow-up questions until you have all the information to create the perfect content calendar. So yeah, as you guys can see over here, actually we are using like ask before answer prompting. So first of all, the ChatGPT will give us the output, which will basically be in the form of questions that it will be asking, just to get the perfect output out of that at the end. So let's just now go ahead and first of all see what output we're gonna get out of that. So I'm just gonna hit enter. Okay, yeah, so as you guys can see, for the perfect and the efficient output, so now it's asking me the questions because obviously I gave you the prompt like ask the follow questions until you have the all information to create the perfect content calendar. So it's asking me first of all for the brand name and description, then it's asking for the targeted audience, like what are your primary targeted audience, like what age and everything, and then it's asking for the content themes, promotional events, and you can just fill up with your specific answers or like what kind of calendar you are demanding out of ChatGPT, so you can fill it up according to your need. So let's just now go and I'm just going to go ahead and fill it up according to myself, like what kind of content calendar I want. So for the brand name and description, I'm going to write t-shirt brand. I'm going to go for t-shirt brand for number 1. And for number 2, it asking targeted audience. So I'm going to go for the audience from age 12 to, let's just go for 25 years old. And for the content theme, let's just go for any kind of, you can say any, let's just go for Marvel theme over here. We want our t-shirts to be in Marvel theme. For now, let's just, answer first 3 questions that ChatGPT has asked, and let's just see whether it will create a content calendar for us or not. So I'm just going to go ahead and submit these answers. All right, yes, so as you guys can see, it provided me a full month calendar of the content that I just provided, which is Marvel themed t-shirt brand. So it's worked for week 1 is saying, introduce your brand and its mission, showcase your top selling Marvel themed t-shirts. That is it. Number 2 will be post, number 3 will be post. And it says for week 2, it will be like that, and week 3 will be, like blah, blah, blah. So it provided all the week 4s, like the first month of the content that are designed out of ChatGPT. And also it also provided as the posting frequency, like you should be posting at least 3 posts per week, like 12 posts in total for the month. And it provided all the possible hashtags as well, content mix as well, and some of the notes as well at the end. So that if you want, like, obviously this is not like some kind of eye-catching calendar. So you can also from ChatGPT to create this in tabular format. All right, so now you can see it's kind of looking very, you can say, eye-catching to our eyes. So it says in week 1 of the day 1, day 3, and day 5, you should be posting this, and it also showed us the content for our post and the hashtags for that as well. And week 2 will be like that, week 3 will be like that. So it provided all the possible information and, kind of a schedule to us for a content calendar for the whole month. So yeah, like that, you can use ChatGPT to create a whole content calendar for us. And obviously, if you want, you can provide more and more information to that depending upon your need, depending upon your necessity, and in order to make it more and more efficient and more presentable. So yeah, now if you can go ahead and move to our social media content, and let's just see the prompt formula for that. So for the social media content, you write a prompt like write a post about whatever topic you want to be posted on social media platform, like whatever platform you have, and then you will type another prompt to remember to optimize the post from our buyer persona. So yeah, now let's just go ahead and see with the help of ChatGPT like how you can do that. Okay, so here I am with my ChatGPT once again. So I'm just going to type in my prompt formula for the social media content, and let's just now go ahead and edit that. So I'm going to type here write a post about, let's just select topic as COVID-19 to be posted on, and the social media platform that I was selecting is going to be, let's just say, Facebook. And yeah, now let's just go ahead and hit enter to see the output of that. So yeah, as you guys can see, provided a Facebook post for me with every information, with the whole hierarchical structure of like how the post on the Facebook should be. And it did provided, a few of the emojis on that as well. Basically, just the way like how it works on Facebook. So yeah, these type of jobs you can basically find a lot on Fiverr, and you can apply on that as well. So if you can go ahead on Fiverr and write to your Facebook post, so you can see like there are a lot of jobs people are offering for Facebook posts. So you can either select one of that from this, and you can just get help from ChatGPT and start earning right away. And yeah, there you have it. This was basically a case study on how you can earn money by creating a content calendar and crafting social media content. But it's very important to remember, like it takes time, it takes time, dedication, and you're a lot of creativity. But of course, with the right strategies, you can turn your passion for content creation into a really, really profitable venture.